guys, welcome back to my channel Superwar Style. This is Prachi, and in today's video I'm going to review the much talked about the new TRESemmé Bond Strength range. So I have with me the shampoo, the conditioner and the serum, and in today's video I'll share with you all what it has done for my hair, what changes I have noticed, how it has worked for me, and just share my experience with you all. And by the way, full disclaimer guys, these products were sent to me by the brand. So TRESemmé was kind enough to send me these products for review. So full disclaimer, this video is sponsored by TRESemmé, but I have genuinely been using them for a while now because I wanted to give you a fair and honest review on this, and yeah, that's what I'll be talking about today. Now before proceeding ahead, why this range? Let me tell you a little bit about this range and what it stands for. So this entire range is a tri-bonding system which reverses hair damage. What it essentially does is that it goes deep within the hair bonds to make the hair stronger and also reduces breakage. It's actually a quick 5-minute repair treatment. Yes guys, just 5 minutes, and this is something I can personally vouch for myself, you know. I see such amazing, such quick results. It's almost magical to see your hair transform just like that. And to think of it, these are steps you're probably already doing: shampoo, conditioning and serum. So you don't even have to go out of your way. So no salon appointments, no long treatments, none of that heartache, none of that trouble, none of those things. You can literally do this in just 3 steps, which is shampooing, conditioning and serum. It doesn't get easier than this. This range can literally reverse hair damage caused by years of using heat styling tools and devices. It can literally reverse that and make your hair smoother and stronger. It's so easy to use. You get instant results. Like right from the first use itself, I started seeing a difference. And of course, once you start using it on a regular basis, the results are more amplified. I have personally seen amazingly drastic improvement in my hair quality. Just look at my hair, you know, my hair is so happy. I'm showing off my hair, and there's an overall improvement in how my hair looks, how my hair feels. It's absolutely brilliant. It actually makes your hair 20 times stronger and reduces breakage by up to 98%. TRESemmé actually has some amazing curations when it comes to hair care products, and this range has worked like a charm for me. So let's jump right into the routine and show you how it's done. Now starting with the shampoo, I love how it creates a mild easy foam for a beautiful bath time experience and cleanses the hair. Following this up with the conditioner, just take a little bit and apply it to the length of the hair to the tip. I do not apply the conditioner to my scalp. For the last and final step, I'll be applying the serum on damp hair. Apply to the length of the hair to the tip. I do not apply the serum to my scalp. The serum is lightweight in texture and absorbs quickly, leaving it smooth while also repairing the hair. While applying the serum, I can already feel my hair detangling, so when I just brush or comb through my hair right after, the hair just starts looking awesomely happy, which I can't wait to show off. To look at the transformation, which is so visible, and think of it guys, this just takes like 5 minutes. The transformation is so real, so fantastic. I love my hair. I love showing off my hair. And it's just so amazing, right? Because before I started using this range, for a while I would just tie my hair back, try to hide my hair, you know, in whatever way I could possibly do that, which is why it has become a part of my regular hair care routine. So currently I'm using this 2 to 3 times a week. So in conclusion, I would like to say this range has truly helped repair my hair from all those years of damage caused by heat styling devices, all those heat styling tools that I have been using. It has really helped repair that damage. My hair is looking amazing. There is no more breakage. I am so happy. It's so great to find products which actually love your hair and give your hair that tender loving care so well, right? And to think of it, it starts working instantaneously. Of course, when you use it more regularly, the results are even more amplified. I would definitely very highly recommend this range to anyone who wants amazing looking hair, because I feel like if it could help my hair, it can help anybody's hair. So go ahead, give it a try. I will put the link for these products in the description box below so you can check them out for yourself. In case you have any queries, any questions, I would love to help you out. So please share your questions with me in the comment section below. And also on that note, don't be stingy with that like button guys. Hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications if you haven't done that already, and keep coming back to Superwar Style for more, okay? Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.